Welcome to Gelous Tutorials. Today I will show you how to paint Ghostface Cherries. Once you've completed your nail prep, base coat and optional builder gel, you're ready to add nail art. Tap the information icon in the top right corner to watch our full application tutorial to see these steps in detail. When you're ready, let's get started. Apply a thin coat of message in a bottle and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Using Blackout and your dotting tool, paint a Ghostface shape near the bottom of your nail, leaving room for another. Repeat the previous step, painting this Ghostface shape slightly higher. Cure for 10 seconds. Using Whiteout and your dotting tool, paint the same shape inside Blackout, leaving a border. Cure for 10 seconds. Repeat the previous step on the other ghost face. Cure for 10 seconds. Using your thin nail art brush, paint a long mouth on each ghost face. Cure for 10 seconds. Paint 2 sets of curved eyes. Cure for 10 seconds. Then you want to paint triangle-shaped noses. Cure for 10 seconds. Using Amazonian and your thin nail art brush, paint a stalk to turn them into cherries. Cure for 10 seconds. Paint a leaf at the tip of your stalk. Cure for 10 seconds. Using Whiteout and your thin nail art brush, paint a little reflection on the top of your leaf. Cure for 10 seconds. Using your dotting tool, apply a dot of nail art glue where you want your red rhinestone to be. Then pick up and place a rhinestone on top. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. You can create a fun mix and match like I have done here with French tips and stars. Thanks for watching!